Well, it was raining down in Georgia the first week of fall. The river started rising beneath the fury of the squall, and the levee that they built back in the spring of '81 started looking like a wooden hold, you know, when all was said and done. Everybody, child, every woman, every man forth throughout tonight to feel the bag sand, saw what they were up against the early crack of dawn, knew that it was time to run, 'cause the water gives us life. The water takes away. The waters of baptizing may say, when it gets a rising, it's a highway to the grave. Well, now stubborn Stephen Jackson and the widow Ida Brown, well, they were hell-bent and determined, you know, stand and hold their ground. Well, and all of everybody else evacuated town. They stayed behind, and now it's almost certain that they drowned, 'cause the water gives us life. Water takes away. Waters of baptizing may say, when it gets a rising, it's a highway to the grave. They waded through the mud to find that everything they owned swallowed by the flood. The tavern, the steeple, the way of life was gone. Only home they'd known, 'cause the water gives us life. Water takes away. Waters of baptizing may say, when it gets a rising, it's a highway to the grave. They held a little vigil that September afternoon, trading tales about the places, you know, the waters had consumed. They swore they'd find a way to resurrect their sodden town. Well, they prayed for Stephen Jackson, reform their side of brown, 'cause the water gives us life. Water takes away. Waters of baptizing may say, when it gets a rising, it's a highway to the grave. And the water gives us life. Water takes away. Waters of baptizing may say, when it gets a rising, it's a highway to the grave.